Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raj. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of GoPro Hero 9 Black. Today I bought this from Costco. Usually it's around $565 after tax, but I got it on sale. It was $440 plus tax. It came out around $500. This is GoPro Hero 9 Black bundle, which means usually if you buy the camera, you will only get the camera, but in this bundle, they have some extra accessories. So let's open the box and see what's in it. Whatever included in this bundle, all inside this carrying case. I really like that they included a carrying case because you don't need to buy an extra case to carry your camera and all the extra accessories. So first thing on the top, I see they included a SIM card. It is 64 gigabytes. It's really good, but I don't need to spend money to buy the SIM card. And then I see USB-C charging cable. And it's good that they included two batteries in there because it is a bundle package. That's why they included an extra battery. If you buy the regular camera, it will only come with one battery. It's always better to have an extra battery. And then I see a buckle mount. And this is a buckle mount receiver. And here is the hero. He's the main guy. So this is the first time I'm owning a GoPro camera. I always wanted to buy it, but I was waiting to get the 9 because this is the one come with the front LED screen. It's really helpful, especially when you record, you can see in the front. In the previous version, you don't have the front screen. So after you record, sometimes you don't even know if you angled it properly. Now I see a thumb screw. And finally underneath I see a stand. It's like a handle. It's a small one, but it's okay. You can still upgrade to get a long one. And that's basically it. I'm going to do a closer look, and this is not a review video, so I'm not going to go in detail. Here on the side, you will see the place to put the battery. Not only the battery, there are a few things that goes in there. So let me open that up. To open it, what you have to do, you have to push it up and then pull it. And then you slide in the battery. And this is where you plug the USB-C cable to charge the battery. The cable came with the camera is really short, but no need to worry about it. Any USB-C cable would charge. And then next to the battery, you can insert the SD card. So let's take a closer look on the camera. On the top, it has the record button. On the side, you have the power on off button, and just below the power button, you see a case, but actually you can open it. It is a water drainage, and you shoot under the water. If water goes inside the speaker, then that's where the water comes out. To turn on the camera, you press and hold the power button for a few seconds and it will turn on. On the front screen, you have some basic information about how long you can record on this SIM card and the battery percentage, and also zoom in and out and a few other functions. To get to the settings, you swipe it down on the screen, then you will see some settings. When you swipe it to the left side, you will see connections and some preferences. Here you can connect the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, and also on the preferences you can do some extra settings. Also, you can download the app on your phone and you can control this camera from your phone. It's really useful. I've already downloaded. So once you download it, you can control from your phone, like you can turn it on and off, and also you can view what you're recording in the camera. You can view on the phone like an additional monitor, so it's really helpful. So you can set the phone on the side and you don't need to look at the camera. You can see the phone as a second monitor, and it's really helpful. And also right away you can save the footage on your phone without even touching the camera, because you have all the access on your phone. So you can save it, you can share, and you can download, you can do so many things. So it's really useful to have this app. Right now I'm walking and shooting this. I'm purposely shaking my hand, but I don't know if the footage is going to shake, but I heard this camera is really good for stabilization, so I believe it will be a steady footage. But I'm purposely shaking my hand while I'm shooting this. Now I'm shooting in 4K. Now I'm shooting in standard 1080p. Also, the voice that you are hearing right now is coming out of this camera microphone. So it's very windy outside right now, so I don't know how the sound quality is going to be. So you can see the quality of the microphone also. All these footages I'm doing it while I'm walking, so my hands are shaking, but you can see how steady this camera is. If I do the same footage on my phone or camera, there will be a big shake. Right now I'm running and shooting this footage, so you can see if, I don't know if it's going to shake, but I'm sure it won't. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribe to my channel. Thank you.